In today's video, I will be unboxing, assembling, and putting in place the extra wide safety gate. Hello and welcome to FMRevu. I am your host, Freddie Robinson. And in today's video, I'll be going over the extra wide safety gate that I bought from Walmart. A little bit of additional information. This gate will fit openings 29 to 39 inches. The height of the gate itself is 30 inches. It does include an extension, and there is no drilling required for assembly. And from the instructions, you do have a very simple to read layout and diagram. The first step is to assemble the gate frame by putting both pieces together. The second step is to lower the gate door into the assembly gate frame and insert the lower gate door pins into the mounting holes on the frame. The next step will be inserting the expansion piece and the spindle rods with the adjustment wheels. So what you'll have to do is actually tighten up the bottom pieces first and then do the top, because you have to actually adjust the top tightness for this door to work. And so it'll close this gap between these two. Now optionally, what you can do is you can take these little plastic containers and you can mount them on the wall, and that's where these little rubber pads will line up. And they give you a screw to mount these on the wall. And that'll just keep this from moving, because this is just a little piece of rubber. And if you have something that's got a lot of force behind it, these can slide if it's only the rubber pieces here. But now how the gate works is you simply press the button in and you pull back and it releases the handle. So it feels pretty secure the way that I have it, and that the design of it does feel secure, like it'll hold in my son either in my office or outside of my office, whichever way that I want him to be, inside or out of. Thank you so very much for watching. Test 1 2. Thank you so much for spending your time and watching these videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to keep more awesome FM reviews coming your way.
3, 2, 1, action!
The next step will be test 1 2. The next step will include the expansion piece as well as the adjustment wheel. The next step is plugging in the expansion piece and attaching the adjustment wheels for comfort. The next step will be inserting the expansion piece. The next step will be inserting the expansion piece and The next step will be inserting the expansion piece and the adjustment wheels, spindle rods.